Uninstalling ChatGPT on Mac isn't as simple as dragging it to the trash. That removes the app itself, but not everything it leaves behind. In this video, you'll see how to completely uninstall ChatGPT from macOS. We'll cover two methods: a fast way using App Cleaner and Uninstaller, and the manual method using Finder. Like many modern apps, ChatGPT stores additional files outside the app itself. As more users install it locally on macOS, many discover that removing the app alone does not fully uninstall it. After deletion, leftover data may still remain in hidden library folders. This can include encrypted conversation cache, WebKit cookies, A/B testing flags, analytics storage, saved Windows state. These files are not visible in standard Finder views. The fastest way to fully remove ChatGPT and all related files is by using App Cleaner and Uninstaller. This tool automatically detects all service files, including hidden library folders, and removes them in a single process. Open App Cleaner and Uninstaller from the Applications folder. Find ChatGPT in the application list and select it. Click Uninstall, then review the list of files that will be removed. Confirm by clicking Remove. The last thing is to empty the trash to complete the process. If you prefer to uninstall everything manually, you can remove all related files step by step using Finder. First, make sure ChatGPT is completely closed. After that, open Finder and go to your Applications folder. Find ChatGPT app, right-click it, and move it to trash. Now comes the important part: removing leftover system files. In Finder, press Command+Shift+G to open the Go to Folder window. Start with this location: ~library/application support/. Inside, find the folder named com.openai.chat and move it to trash. Then continue removing the remaining ChatGPT related files from these locations. You can find the directories in the description below this video. Also, if you notice anything else named ChatGPT or com.openai.chat, remove it as well. Next, open System Settings, General, Login, Items, and Extensions. If ChatGPT appears there, simply select it and remove it. Finally, empty the trash and restart your Mac. By doing so, you finish removing ChatGPT fully and properly. Removing ChatGPT can be quick and easy with App Cleaner and Uninstaller, or you can manually clean up the remaining files in Finder, which may take more time.